Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve the black screen issue in OBS Studio while recording your screen. So, let's open OBS Studio. As you can see, it is currently displaying a black screen. As we click on the screen recording option, it shows a notification stating that no source has been added, which means the output will be empty. Here, click on the No. Now, let's create a source for it. Go to the Sources panel. Click on the plus icon in the menu. And then select Display Capture in the list of options. Now, click on OK. As you can see, the black screen issue has been resolved. Instead of a blank screen, OBS Studio is now properly displaying your desktop in the background. This confirms that the source has been added successfully, and your screen recording is now ready to work without any black screen problem. The display settings are correct, so go ahead and click on OK to apply the changes. Now, click on the recording option. This time, you will notice that no notification appears, which means everything is set up correctly. So, that's all for today's video. We successfully learned how to fix the black screen issue in OBS Studio and make screen recording work smoothly. I hope this step-by-step guide was clear and helpful for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial or if it solved your problem, please give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss out on future tutorials and tips about screen recording, video editing, and other useful tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.